Hi everyone, is your iPhone camera app slow or lazy? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes. Step 1. Close background apps. First, close all apps running in the background. Too many apps can slow down the camera. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Now, restart your iPhone. This refreshes the system and fixes small camera issues. Step 3. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone storage. If storage is almost full, delete some files or apps. Step 4. Clean camera lens. Clean the camera lens with a soft cloth. Dust or fingerprint can affect camera performance. Step 5. Turn off low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery, and turn off lower power mode. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available update. Step 7. Reset all settings. If still lazy, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, Reset all settings. And that's it. These steps should fix camera lag on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.